This is one of the main streets in Bombay after a rainfall which brought 22 inches in 24 hours, breaking a 44-year record. Most of the Bombayites seem to be just a little pessimistic. They're carrying their umbrellas as they go wading out for a walk. Foot washing, you know, ordinarily is quite a ceremony in the Orient, but it's just a picnic today. The flood has pretty well halted Bombay transportation, but not entirely. There's a team of oxen taking a turn around the block, making fast time. And will you look at what's in tow? In an emergency, old Mother Nature seems to have it all over modern efficiency. And if you'll take a look back there a bit, you'll see the backseat drivers walking home. This looks like a cemetery, but it's really the outdoor laundry where the women of Bombay come every Monday to do their weekly washing. But today they're held up because, unfortunately, they can't swim. There's one good housewife down there, though, waiting along. She's going to get her clothes clean or drown in the attempt. The Bombay and Baroda Railway is still on the job, too, and there are plenty of folks out to meet the train. It looks as though a flood is just another excuse for an Indian holiday.